Hi, this is Gerald and Carla. Uh, we've been 1 year and 11 months na as a partner. And right now, it's been 1 month na hindi dinadalaw yung partner ko na si Carla. That's why we decided to create this video para malaman namin at para ipakita sa
Dinadalaw sa
para ipakita sa buong nasyon kung meron na ba o wala pa. So, ito yung binili namin na ito yung binili namin na isang pregnancy tester. Pregnancy test. So, later on, we're going to find out if positive ba or negative. So, if positive, that's a blessing. If negative, and that's also a blessing as well. So, good luck to us, and anong bang magiging resulta, happy kami kung anong yung magiging resulta ng pregnancy test. So, we're going to talk to you later. So, hello, we're back. At tapos na yung ginawa namin. At napakadali lang pala ng pregnancy test. And hindi kami makapaniwala sa resulta. And I don't know what to say. And I can't explain kung ano yung feeling namin ngayon. But it's a mixed emotion. So, nakikita mo ngayon, walang masabi to siya, si Kai, yung partner ko. Anyway, we're going to present to you our result. So, ito na yung resulta sa ginawa namin, a pregnancy test, and it is tsan-tsarada! Ate ka lang. Yan, hindi nakikita. Hindi nakikita, but anyway, meron siyang dalawang linya. Meaning it's positive. Ewan ko kung anong feeling ko ngayon, but mixed emotion. I'm not worried. I feel excited. And one day, itong video na to, makikita mo to, baby, wala ka pang name, pero welcome to the world in advance. And ito yung itsura ng mama and papa mo noong bata pa. Yeah. So, it's positive. It's positive. I'm a father and a mother at the age of what? You're 19 and I'm still 16. So, thank you for watching.